So my older son had a little hobby horse, or what do they call them, the little glider bikes, so he learned how to use his balance really well. Well, it died because it was made of wood. It was really nice. But this is the bike we're going to make a hobby horse out of, because this is my younger son's bike. He's outgrown it. He's on a bigger bike, but he's still using his training wheels. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble this bike to make you your own little glider bike, so you don't have to go and spend money. So what you first need to do, of course, you need to remove these. Pretty easy, just an adjustable wrench will undo these. The other part that you need to get rid of are the pedals. This little piece is one solid piece. It goes from here all the way through. So you're going to have to remove the pedals, or at least one of them, and there's a bolt on the other side. So let me show you that bolt right here. So I'm going to take that one off so I can adjust my wrench, get it to fit, and then I can start to work on removing it. Of course, I'm going to use both hands because, well, I'm wanting to. Well, first I'll inspect the threads. Now if you look, see those threads? It's going to come off by going this way, okay, the way they're tilted, which means it's going to go clockwise to get off. So that means this is a reverse thread. So I'm just going to do that, and there we go. See, now it's a little loose, but not loose enough. So one, try to get that loose. All right, and you can see this nut coming right off. Sweet action. There we go. Now here's the deal. It's going to loosen this thing up. Pull out this guy here. Pull him out. And now this piece has to come off. If you look, it's got a little ridge right here and a little ridge right there. If you had a special tool, you click it on there and take it right off. Our special tool is going to be a flat bladed screwdriver, because it's going to push right there and it's going to spin around. And it takes a little bit more time than having a special tool, but guess what? It's already got one of those, so it's technically free. So let's go find us a flat-headed screwdriver. Alright, so here's my flathead screwdriver. I'm going to put him in right here, and I'm going to push down. This one luckily isn't very, no, they're very tight. And if you notice, other than an obnoxious noise every once in a while, I'm getting it off fairly quickly. Now I'm being lazy, and I'm not wearing gloves. So don't be lazy and not wear gloves, because all it takes is a little slip, and well, you're gonna catch yourself on any of these all these little rubber, these rough edges. So yeah, don't do that. Plus, you're dealing with like greasy junk, and it's nice to be a little cleaner. So, but yeah, we're getting there. Oh. So you might want to fast forward this part, or maybe I'll fast forward it for you. Almost there. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Yeah. See now? We got it. I can just grip with hand. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah. Ta-da. And now you can see all the way through there. There's one solid piece. Yeah, get there. So now all I need to do is take off this guy right here, and then this whole thing will snake through. You notice I've loosened this pedal up a little bit. Let me get these guys out of the way. And once again, this is reverse threaded, so you're twisting the way a clock would go. So you're going clockwise. So that whole righty-tighty, lefty-loosey thing isn't going to work for you today. But it's a little rusted. So Little PB Blaster would really help it out. But I had to get it started a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking this off and show you how. Alright, so here we go. Taking the pedal off. Had to go clockwise, not counterclockwise on the left pedal. This came off by going clockwise, not counterclockwise. So now all this can snake out. Okay. And it's all gone. Okay. The rest of this will just pull through. But I did make one mistake. I didn't take off the chain guard, so it's not gonna like me as much because I got that one little screw right there. Once I get that off, maybe one on the back, we'll be good to go. So let me take that off for you and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna be taking these things off. These will be normally threaded, unlike the left hand side of this. The reason why is you're going around a crank, it would naturally unscrew. These aren't, so they are not going to be that way. So be sure to do lefty-loosey on these guys. There we go. And off to the... Alright, so a little bit more. I got one last... what are these things called? Training wheels to take off. And these are all kind of rusted on there. So they aren't going to hand loosen very well, since I hadn't put any kind of lubricant or any rust breaker upper kind of stuff on her. So, almost there. Let's see. There we go. Now, on the other side, I went ahead and put this one back on too and tightened it up, because it does have this nut, but that's kind of more like a spacer and a nut, so that I figured this will help keep that back tire on nice and well. So I'm just going to tighten this guy up on there and see what kind of a strider bike, or whatever you want to call them, is going to treat him. See, and now look, only thing we got to get rid of now is the chain. And these chains are so weak, you can probably get rid of it with some lineman pliers, and that's what we're going to try to do. Alright, as expected, lineman pliers to make quick work of this chain. And now I have me a Stride Rite bike, and I'll show you how we go with it.